This is Texas 132, and this is the second update of the modifications to the assembly square. So it's been a while since I did an update. I had recorded a video, and when I went to edit it was really bad quality, so I deleted it, and now I'm finally having time to make another video. So I changed some of these tiles. I need to get a couple more 1x1s for the front. Also changed the windows. They now stay in place. I did have to rearrange all the tiles here, scoot them over one stud. Also did the same to this side as I did to this side. I did a new roof segment. I thought it looked really nice. Make sure I'm not stepping in an ant bed outside. So I also changed this. I added window detail to these 4 windows. Someone in a video had said to do some window treatments, some detailing to the outside of the windows. And I finally got around to doing that. And not just for this building, but like for other buildings. Don't know what I changed here. I think I added either the white or the dark tan, whichever one wasn't there in the original. Changed that up. I took off the little teeth pieces here because they just kept falling off. Added different flooring to the back there. Changed this so that both windows were see-through. I changed this roof at one point. Thought it looked really nice. So now I'll go to the other sides and show you what the back and the 2 sides look like. So here's the side. Nothing really changed, but on the back I added stairs. And stairs to go up to the 2nd and 3rd floors. You still have to go through this door to get to this door to get to the 3rd floor, but figured that would be alright. So I added brick patio there and over here. I also changed up the staircase for here. You have to go through this door to get to this door to get to the apartment, which is both sides of these buildings. Here is the window, or the roof. I think it looks really good. Just one more side, which is the same as before. So, tell me what you think. If there's any ideas you have for something maybe I should do. Still need to work on the insides of these buildings, but I think it's looking really good so far. And we will see you in the next update.